Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are good and healthy. Welcome to our channel Students Helper. Once again I came with a new video. I hope you will like this video. This video is related to sub EVS 1 means geography lesson number 1. So today I am going to take this lesson. The name of the lesson is our earth and our solar system. I hope this video will be very helpful for the students to study because in very easy way I have explained this lesson with the various pictures. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe us to take and to see the more and more video like this. Now students, let's see our lesson, that is our earth and our solar system. See, when we look up from an open ground, we see the sky in a clear night sky. We can see many stars. They are very far away from the earth. Some stars are prominent while some are tiny and faint. If we look at them carefully, we find that many of them twinkle but some do not. The sun and the moon are comparatively close to the earth, so we can see their round shapes clearly. The sun, the moon, the stars, the planets, etc. are all known as heavenly bodies. Now let's see. See students, when we look up from an open ground, we see the sky. Okay, see this is the afternoon sky. So this time what can we see in the sky? This is the blue sky, and sometimes means we can see the sun in the sky. Okay, only sun and the blue sky we can see afternoon or day. But in a clear night, if you saw the clear night sky, we can see many stars. Okay, see in this picture you can see so many stars are there, and they are very far away from the earth. Some stars are prominent while some are tiny and faint. So in this picture also you can see that some stars are twinkling brightly and some are faint. Some are tiny. So if we look at them carefully, we find that many of them twinkle but some do not. See, the sun and the moon are comparatively close to the earth, so we can see their round shapes clearly. The sun, the moon, the stars, the planets, etc. are known as heavenly bodies. Understood students what I said? See, the sun in this picture you can see, this is the sun, then the moon, the stars, the planets, etc. are known as the heavenly bodies. Are you clear? Let's see the second topic, that is stars. The heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. Stars have their own light. The sun is a star. It is closer to us than any of the other stars. Hence, it appears big and brilliant in its bright light. During the day, we cannot see other stars. See students, what is our second topic? Stars. So first see what is the meaning of stars. Star means the heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars, and in this picture you can see that some heavenly bodies are there and that bodies are twinkled, so that's why these are stars. I think this is not need to explain what is the stars, because from our childhood we are seeing the stars in the sky. Okay, and to see the stars it is pleasure for us because we like to see that scenery at night. Okay, so but in science language we can see the heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. Okay, and listen, stars have their own lights. Okay, see, Here the sun is a star and it is closer to us than any of the other stars. Here see we say that sun is a star. Why the sun is a star? Because now just what we have seen that the stars have their own light. Okay. So same way we know that the sun having its own lights. That why the sun is a star, and this sun is closer to us than any of the other stars, and hence it appears big and brilliant. So in its bright light during the day we cannot see other stars, because before we have seen that at night we can see the stars in the sky. Okay, so in day also stars are there, planets are there, but as we know that the sun having the brilliant light, bright lights, and because of that bright lights it is not possible to see the stars at day. So we can see the stars only in night. See students, the next topic is planets. The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Planets do not have light of their own. They get light from the stars. Planets revolve around a star even as they rotate around themselves. See in this picture some planets are there. So what is planet? Planets means the heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planet. Okay. See previous what we have seen, what is stars? Stars are the heavenly bodies which are twinkle. Okay. And what is planets? Planets are also the heavenly bodies but that do not twinkle. Now you just try to understand what is the difference between both stars and planet. The stars twinkle but the planets not twinkle. Okay, so the planets do not have light of their own. Just star, as we know the stars having their own light, but the planet do not have their own light, so they get light from the stars. Planets revolve around a star even as they rotate around themselves. Okay, are you clear what is the difference between stars and planet? The stars are twinkle and they are having their own light, but the planet do not twinkle and they don't have their own light. The planets are getting light from the stars. See the solar system. Our earth is a planet. It gets its light from the sun. It moves around the sun. Its movement around the sun is called the revolution of the earth. Besides earth, there are 7 other planets that revolve around the sun, and they are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now see students, in this picture we can see the earth. See, as we all know that we are living on the earth, okay, and the earth is a planet. Can you tell me why the earth is planet, or why we can call earth is a planet? Because now just we have seen what is the meaning of planet, that the planet is a heavenly body that do not twinkle. Okay, and as we know that the earth is also a heavenly body and it is not twinkle. Again, what is the second point? That the earth not having its light. Okay, why? Because the earth get its light from the sun and the star having its own light, so that's why the earth is a planet. Why? Because it is the heavenly body that not twinkle and it not having its life own. See, as we know that the earth moves around the sun and its movement around the sun is called the revolution of the earth. Beside this, there are 7 other planets that revolve around the sun. See, in this picture, you can see the sun is there, and the with the earth 7 planets are there. Those are revolve around the sun. See, what is the first which is nearest the sun? That is Mercury. Second, Venus. Then third number, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Understood? These are the 7 heavenly bodies that not twinkle, means these all are the planets which revolve around the sun with the earth, and this is called the solar system. Students, listen. Every planet in the solar system revolves around the sun along a specific path, and this path is known as that planet's orbit. See, in this picture you can see there the planets are revolve around the sun. Okay, see this half circle in this picture only you can see. Well, what does this mean? In this is the path to revolve the planet around the sun. Understood? See, we can see the each and every planet is revolve around the sun in the particular way, in the particular path, and this path means this half circle that you can see on the screen, it is called the orbit. Okay, so the sun, which is a star, and the planets that revolve around it are together called the solar system. Besides the planets, the solar system also includes various other heavenly bodies. Let's see this picture also. See, in this picture we can see the sun is there, and with the sun the planets are around to the planets are there to around the sun. Understood? See, listen here, we can see there is the circle. This circle you can see now. This circle means what? So this is the path of the planet to revolve around the sun. Understood? Means this circle is not a real circle, it is the path, and this path around the sun is called the orbit. Means orbit means a path to revolve the planet around the sun. Understood? Are you clear about this? Now let's see the next topic, that is other heavenly bodies in the solar system. See, other heavenly bodies in the solar system, and the first body is satellites. Some heavenly bodies revolve around planets. These are called satellites. Satellites to get their light from the sun. We see the moon at night, it revolves around the earth. Hence, it is called a satellite of the earth. Most of the planets in the solar system have satellites. The planets revolve around the sun along with their satellites. See, satellites. Some heavenly bodies revolve around planet. These are called satellites. See, students, in this picture you can see some heavenly bodies are there. Means the planets are there. In the planet we can see the Earth, the Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus. Okay, so these are the heavenly bodies, and of these heavenly bodies you can find some, means these are the heavenly bodies and means planet, and of this planet you can see some heavenly bodies are revolve around. Okay, see, in the first picture also you can see the one body is revolve around, that is moon. In second picture you can see the around the Mars, some heaven bodies are revolve there. Here also in Jupiter, Saturn, then Uranus and Neptune, you can see around this planet some heavenly bodies are there. Okay, and these heavenly bodies are called satellites. So satellites to get their light from the sun, As we have seen that the planets are getting the light from the sun, the same way satellites also getting the light from the sun. See, we see moon at night, yes na? So it revolves around the earth. See what I am saying, that the moon revolves around the sun, hence it is called a satellite of the earth. Okay, because what is the definition of satellite? Some heavenly bodies that revolve around planet, and here the earth is planet and the moon is heavenly body. So this heavenly body means the moon revolve around the planet, means revolve around the earth. That is why the moon is the satellite of earth. Got it? See, most of the planets in the solar system have satellites, and the planets revolve around the sun along with their satellites. Say students, here some picture of the satellites I have kept before you. Here we can see the Ganymede, Titan, Mercury, Callisto, Io, Moon, Europa, Triton, Pluto, Titania. These are some satellites, natural satellites. Okay.